into the presentation and everything. हम एक बार हमारा जो कोर्स सर्च शीट है जो हमने बनाई है आपके लिए, आप उसको एक बार ओपन करिए और उसमें जाकर आप एक फ़िल्टर लगा सकते हो। डेटा पे जाकर आप उस पर क्रिएट फ़िल्टर व्यू कर सकते हो और वहाँ पे जाकर जस्ट गो एंड चूज़ जिस्मा। ओके, it's going to look something like this. I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So this is how it will look like. JISMA University of Applied Sciences. You have UG programs here. APS बर्लिन में जो कैंपस है वो दिखेगा आपको, जहाँ पे बीएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस है, जिसकी स्ट्रीम आईटी एंड कंप्यूटर है, ड्यूरेशन 3 साल है। अब इसमें देर आर लिंक्स एंड एवरीथिंग। केदार, आर यू देयर?
यस सर।
तो केदार, अपना बेटा कैमरा ऑन करो एक बार आप। और वेयर इज विधि? विधि, आर यू देयर? हेलो।
So I'll just coordinate with the rest.
Just call her, please. And basically, the issue that I'm facing here right now, Kedar and Vidhi, is कि आपने यहाँ पे जो ट्यूशन फीस डाली है ना, you'll have to add one more column here and mention the special scholarship policy and then add net tuition fees। क्योंकि जैसे यहाँ इसकी फीस 13,000 नहीं है।
हम्म।
यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, फी पेमेंट स्कॉलरशिप है, स्पॉट स्कॉलरशिप है 1,000 की, 2,000 की, टेक का अलग है, मैनेजमेंट का अलग है। तो चूंकि हमने यहाँ पे करेक्ट डेटा मेंशन नहीं किया है ना, तो ब्रांचेस इस पे अप्लाई नहीं कर रही हैं। तो अगर हम वो डेटा अपना करेक्ट कर देंगे ना, तो हमारी एप्लीकेशंस यहाँ पे सर्च कर जाएंगी जो हम चाहते हैं।
ओके सर।
आप देख सकते हो जिस्मा, एंड एवरीवन आई एम टेलिंग यू, जिस्मा इज अ जर्मन यूनिवर्सिटी। You will need an APS over here,
Yes.
and there are lots of campuses. So you can just check that they have a Potsdam campus. In Potsdam campus, they have basically all PG courses over here. So in the Potsdam course campus, you've got global MBA management. Ma'am, what is the fees for this global MBA for one
Our
year?
global MBA is now revised to 22,000 euros, but with a 30% full fee discount, it's going to come down to 18,250 euros roughly. So,
Okay.
in that's again a very good option. And now we have integrated UC Berkeley internships into our global MBA. So
Mhm.
students also have an opportunity to do certain projects and maybe almost about 4 to 5 weeks of training in the US. So we'll get back to you with those updates for the upcoming intakes. But
Okay.
yeah, the fee has been revised now. It has gone up to 1,000 euros and it's an AMBA accredited MBA. Only 6 universities in Germany are AMBA accredited, and GISMA is one of them.
So you can also read this, over here. When you go to the About Universities tab, Counselors, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे गिस्मा के बारे में हमने पूरा डिटेल दिया हुआ है कि ये एम्बा एक्रीडिएटेड है, इसके पास क्या क्या सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं, कब ये फाउंड हुई थी, एंड दिस इज रैंक्ड 240 और वट एवर इट्स मैंशनड ओवर देयर।
Right. And now we're not listed on the QS as yet, but we've got our QS stars. So we are a 5-star rated university, which again we'll get back to you on
परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट।
bids as well.
So, as you can see, you can see the academic requirements, everyone. You can see the IELTS, PT, TOEFL, Duolingo, and MOI are not accepted here, which is categorically mentioned over here. Uh, you can change the campus view, check out Berlin. You can do it like that, everyone. I'm
So
just showing.
basically, adding to what Madhav sir has already said, there are two campuses. There's Potsdam and there's Berlin. Potsdam is a flagship campus where we do both our UG PG programs as well for single degrees. The single degree UG program is also now delivered at the Berlin campus. So students coming for the single degree masters will be at Potsdam. We also have our SAP center just behind the Potsdam campus, and we've got a strategic partnership with them. So students have an opportunity to go and do internships and projects with the SAP Center as well. And I think, this sheet is quite comprehensive in terms of understanding what campuses, what courses, and everything. We only specialize in IT and business. We don't have any other programs. We've also introduced social media influencer marketing, entrepreneurship now, which obviously for marketing students is one of the most top selling programs. I don't think it's there in this list, but you can add that to the list.
Mhm.
So, if you have students, anyone looking for IT business, Gizma should definitely be one of their shortlists. I mean, you don't have to think of other options. We are making sure that
Right.
our fees are also revised now, very competitively placed. We're giving students discounts from 15% to max a 30%. All right. I'd like to share my screen. If you could
Please
just
do, ma'am. Please do.
share screen access. I don't quite really seem to have that.
Whoever's the host
I
here,
can.
please allow,
Are you
ma'am.
all, yeah, I can do it now. Are you all able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. So we've got this presentation. I don't want to run you all through the whole presentation right now. We'll just touch base on a couple of important points. I've already spoken to you about the campus and our USPs, accreditations, you all are aware of. What's very important to students is obviously the EMBA accreditation and the CIM accreditation for marketing programs. This is a list of all the programs that we offer in terms of our bachelor's courses, single degrees. STEM related, we've got data science, computer science, software engineering. We've got the global MBA, like I already mentioned. We've got finance, marketing, HR for masters. STEM masters, again, we've got creative entrepreneurship, leadership, cybersecurity, AI, computer science, etc. All right. In terms of the entry requirements, also for bachelor's, we're looking at 70% minimum for all these impacted regions, and students will have to do an entrance test, which is mandatory. IELTS is already here on your screen. These are again the general entry requirements. So, bachelor's for the other non-impacted regions is going to be 70%, where they'll have an option to do a foundation or clear the GISMA entrance test. Anyone between 60 to 69 will come with a direct foundation. For masters, again, we're looking at students above 50%, anyone between 40 to 49, subject to interview and admission screening, and then we'll give you an update. IELTS, again, I've mentioned over here. Duration, 1.5, 2 year, depending on the student profile. 4 years of engineering, 1 year masters. 3 years of bachelor's, 1 year of work experience, 1.5 years of masters. 3 years of bachelor's, 2 years of work experience, 1 year of masters again. Okay. Someone with 3 years of bachelor's only work experience will come in for the 2 year masters. All right. So that's that. That's the confirmation of registration. We do an internal Gizma password test as well. So if you have any students who you can convert, don't have time for IELTS, drop an email to us. We'll schedule them for the Gizma password test as well. All right. Again, that's free of cost.
I'll just go back to the password test.
Yes.
Uh, uh, Kedar and Vidhi, can you put a mark on the course sheets sheet that there is an internal test in JISMA? Because normally internal tests are very common in UK. We have it with practically every second university, but but we should put it in our sheet that any student who doesn't have an IELTS or a PTE or a TOEFL can give an internal test and can go here.
Ma'am, Pravina ma'am,
Yes.
for visa, do they need to give IELTS or this
No,
exam?
they
Just
will not need the IELTS for the visa. That's what I'm telling you. This is an ALT approved test equivalent to the IELTS, and we'll give you a support letter that we've internally tested your English proficiency. So you're not going to have any visa rejections basis the password test at all.
perfect, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So, AMBA accreditation, I've already told you, Kingston is our university partner for our double degree programs. We offer double degrees. We don't do dual degrees. There are other universities in Germany who say double degree, but they do two different degrees offered by the same university. But what GISMA does is that students get two different degrees from two different universities. One is GISMA, one is Kingston, all under one roof at the same price and the same duration. If you have students who are coming for a 4 years of bachelor's or a 2 years of master's, promote the double degree program with Kingston because they're getting two different degrees. All right. Again, entry requirements remain pretty same as compared to those of the single degree. 70% is what we're looking for your 12th for our bachelor's. If you have a good profile, student has not scored 70 but a 65% in your 10th, we will still accept that profile. All right. Masters, we've got 50% again, 55 from selected universities. Merit-based scholarships are already in place for our UG students. So anyone between a 60 to 65, 64.99 percentage range, 5% additional scholarship from the other payment plan discounts. Then we've got 10%, 20%, and it goes up to 50% of scholarships. All right. Pricing, I'll share another list with you where you can go through the pricing. Now we've also introduced the Think Digital Scholarship of €1,000 for the January intake and then another €1,000 as a webinar discount. Now what I'd like you to do is create a collab, like a marketing flyer or a creative. जिसमें you're talking about EEC or Gizma का partnership, and then you can market it and you can say that if you apply through EEC to Gizma, we will bring you an additional €1,000 scholarship. Okay, use it to your advantage. You don't have to say Gizma is giving. You can say EEC is giving you the scholarship. All right. So you can definitely do that and run campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever. If you want to do flyer distribution, I'm not very sure how your marketing team works, but if we can brainstorm some ideas, sir, in terms of, how we can get your marketing team to work on our collab and try and promote these scholarships, the Jan will look powerful for you guys. For January intake, now we've got 28, barring Madhav, sir. We've got 20, sorry, and me, we've got 26 participants on this call. Every counselor gives one application for Jan. We've got 26 applicants for Jan. Ridesh is laughing. So, you get the math.
No, ma'am, this is like second time coming to me from you, ma'am. That is
It
I
is.
really
Yeah, because
appreciate
see, I mean, it just makes so much sense. I want you guys to be in an autopilot mode for the upcoming intakes. 2026 is a fresh start for us. Every single counselor, I'm sure in your kitty of whatever 100, students that you're dealing with for Jan interested Germany students, you can pick one student and convert them. And that is going to put you into that rhythm for the whole year, for the next four intakes that we have. We've got April, we've got July, we've got September. So 26 deposits is what I want by end of January, beginning February. This is something that we are signing up for now in this call. All you guys. Having said that, yeah, then addition of courses, we've got IR, we've got social media influencer marketing, creative entrepreneurship, BSc, we've got, sorry, for MSc, again, we've got a couple new programs which are social media influencer marketing, yeah, and creative entrepreneurship, and only IR for the bachelor's level. Okay. And yeah,
Maybe
that's that.
everyone wants to be a social media influencer, I want to share
Exactly.
this with everyone. हम लोगों ने अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे हम बहुत एड्स चलाते हैं, तुम
Right.
विश्वास नहीं करोगे, 70% लोग का आता है मैसेज, फॉलो मी बैक, पे मी 500, पे मी 1000।
Correct. Because it's all about marketing now, and it's all about how you project yourself and what is it that you are. I mean, how is it that you're picturing yourself, and and that's if that's going to get you leads and you think you have a good traction on your social media and you've got a very active page, put your money in that because you're going to get half your business done through that. Okay, we've got to change with the current changing times. We've got to adapt to new ideas. So why not? And now that you have, like, we've been working now for what, over a year since I have joined the brand, and I have always seen so much potential. You guys are meticulous with your work, your systems are in place, you have the product knowledge, आपके पास, you are sitting in one of the biggest market in India, okay, जहाँ पे आपके पास students है. Around you there are small consultancies who are giving bigger numbers. If they can do it, you guys are a powerhouse. I mean, I don't see any challenge in terms of bringing one student per counselor, क्योंकि अगर आप वो करोगे अभी, if you put yourself in that rhythm, then your further intakes are going to be good for you guys. Okay. So January, and in fact, there are there are very few universities in Germany जिनके पास January intake है. तो अगर आपके कोई deferred students हैं अक्टूबर के, ऑनलाइन स्टार्ट है, रिस्क फ्री ऑनलाइन स्टार्ट इज व्हाट वी ऑफर स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, दे कैन ज्वाइन 6 months up to 6 months later after the course start date also. But ideally, you've got November to punch in the application. You've got December entirely to yourself, and then you've got the entire month of Jan. They can join in the first week of February. Okay, so now you can see how much time you guys have to actually try and build a pipeline for Jan. I mean, you will have conversions. You cannot come and tell me कि अभी time नहीं है, visas नहीं आएंगे, student को online start नहीं करना है. They can start. They'll not miss out on anything. Live lectures करेंगे students, and there's not going to be any additional fee, no deductions, nothing, and they can directly start as soon as when their visa is stamped physically on campus. So challenges तो मुझे यहाँ पे कोई दिख नहीं रहा है. Fees also for the pricing, if you see now that the fees are revised, we are offering 13,125 per year for UG. ठीक है, with all the discount plans that you look at those students for, I mean 15, 30%, 50%. You see it's coming down to almost 6,500 per year. 6 lakh for an undergrad, which are roughly 24 lakhs for a 4 years of undergraduate course in Germany. And you have a UG market also that you can tap on. Students who've not been able to go now, they can obviously go in Jan. So this is there. And then you, for your masters also, if you see, our masters is 15,500 with a 25% discount is coming down to 11,625. There's also 30% discount in place now for the January intake. It's again going to go down, plus another 2,000 अगर tech course है, तो data science or cybersecurity, digital business, उसके लिए we're going to give you 1,000 euros, और additional 1,000 euros student को webinar मिलेगा जो आप EEC through promote करोगे. So the fees are what? 8,000 euros, 1 year masters. You see, I mean, this is definitely, you cannot complain, you cannot say नहीं आपके fees ज़्यादा है. We've got discount plans in place, so you can definitely focus on these plans as well. All
Do
right?
you have any questions, केदार एंड विधि? कुछ आपको पूछना है इसमें या
Yes.
इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में हमारे यहाँ पे वी नीड टू हैव क्लैरिटी, राइट? आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैम ये
प्रेक्षा मैम, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Yeah. Do we have any questions, team?
यस विधि, केदार, एनीवन?
मैम
Yeah.
हाँ मैम, मुझे ये पूछना था कि ये फीस जो आपने लिखी है लास्ट में, जो 25% डिस्काउंट है, तो जैसे ये अपने 1.5-2 साल के जो मास्टर्स है, तो उसकी 2 साल की पूरी फीस या फिर 1 साल की फीस भरेंगे उस पे 25% का
20%
डिस्काउंट?
is for per year fee, 30% is for full fee of 2 साल.
मैम सॉरी, फिर से बताएं.
So it will be for the full course, 2 years का.
2 इयर्स का, यानी 24,000 यूरो फीस है, और वो पूरी भर रहे हैं तो उनको 18 भरनी है 25% डिस्काउंट के साथ.
Yeah,
ठीक
just a minute, give me a minute, okay?
है.
So what we'll do is, what I've done is, I think, Madhav sir, मैंने आपको एक pricing भेजा है अभी on WhatsApp. Can you just share it with Preksha ma'am as well? So, or I mean, in fact, the whole team, क्योंकि उसमें मैंने पूरा breakup दिया है. ठीक है?
Done,
So
ma'am.
you will get a complete idea. One second, I'll see if I can share that document with you all. 1 second, okay?
I have shared it with everyone right now.
Shared it? Yeah, perfect. So if you look at that pricing, guys, उसमें we have given you the complete breakup for UG and PG. ठीक है, I'll see if I can share that one document. One second. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
One second. Uh, yeah. So what we are going to do over here is, I'll give you an example. ठीक है, अभी we are going to look at international students, India. Fees per year is 13,125 euros. We have a 15%, 20%, 25%, 35% discount depending on what the student is going to choose. यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा breakup लिखा है and what your total net price after all discounts look like. Okay, so year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, it is going to be 36,157 and 36,407 ये onshore के लिए है. ठीक है, इसमें मैंने merit based scholarships का भी breakup दिया है आपको, which will give you an idea of what the fee structure looks like. ठीक है. Now, if you have a student who's also even coming for this range, which is 70 to 89%, क्योंकि maximum students हमारे ये range में होते हैं, fees are coming to 28,282,000 Indian rupees, okay, for the 4 years of program. So you can see it's so competitive now, now that we've done all these revisions and we are giving you that entire payment plan and offers in place. Then if you look at our PG pricing also, one second. So if you look at PG pricing, 1 year कोर्स 1.5 और 2 year, ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी कंप्लीट ब्रेकअप मैंने दिया है अबाउट 40, 25, 35, 30, 15, 25, विच एवर पेमेंट प्लान दे यूजिंग एंड व्हाट देयर फीस आर after discount. For example, if you take an international student whose fee is, say, for example, over here, yeah, 24,200, student has a 25% discount उसने opt किया है. Divide this 24 into 2, 12,100 is per year fees. Apply the 2,000 euro discount also. एक webinar का 1,000 euro और दूसरा 1,000 euro tech scholarship का. It becomes 10.
नहीं एमएड नहीं कोई खास रिक्वायरमेंट शेड्यूल चेक करें.
Sorry.
माइक चालू कर दे.
So we've got 12,100 minus 2,000, ठीक है, तो वो 10,000 आएगा प्लस उस पे 25% डिस्काउंट, so it's almost coming down to 8,000. So these are the payment plans in place. So once you refer to this pricing sheet, I don't think you guys will struggle. I mean, this should definitely be helpful. All right. Any other questions? So this was just to have a quick catch up and understand where you guys are at, how comfortable you are with Gizma, or how well we can try and put you guys into that autopilot mode and see what best we can do for the upcoming intake. So
Ma'am,
do you have any other questions? Yeah.
Ma'am, if student wants to pay only first year of tuition fees, then how much discount they will be getting if they want to go for
15%.
masters?
There's 15%.
15% for 1 year fees.
Correct. And there is also 25% if they pay within the first 3 months.
Okay, first 3 months, 25%. And
Ma'am.
30% for the whole course
No,
fees.
at one go. Yes, that's
Okay.
correct.
Ma'am, the tech scholarship is only for post-grad campus,
It's for all courses.
all courses.
Yes.
Okay.
So try and see if you can promote these scholarships and let's see what best we can do.
Ma'am, one program that
Yes.
you would suggest somebody who wants to do Masters of Robotics.
If someone wants to do Masters of Robotics, they can come in for data science, AI, digital business. So that's the best way forward. I mean, that will definitely, they already have their base in robotics, in a technical field, and then they want to go ahead with data science, AI. That should be a good combo. Okay, perfect. So I think that just brings me to the end of this session. It was lovely catching up
Ma'am,
with.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
My counselors have a feeling that JISMA is not as well ranked as SRH. So
Okay.
can you draw some comparisons between JISMA and SRH?
Well,
Because
see
our
now.
focus in Germany is basically in ranking organizations. So can you tell them that JISMA is not some, what do you call,
Random
degree mill?
university. Yeah,
It
and
is it's a proper university. It
absolutely
has some respect. It has some reputation.
right.
It's not some degree wala mill ya
Correct.
kind of a
So,
thing.
so to answer that question, so see, we have got there will be that kind of word of mouth in the market about universities. And it's normal human tendency to go for something that talks about rankings and everything. But now when you sit with your students, जब आप एक counselor हो, you are like, a guiding support and a force for that student, because you need to make sure what course the student is going for and what kind of career progression the student will have. Now, Gizma has a career service center in place. We've got Gizma Job Teaser, we've got Handshake, we've got integrated sprint weeks into the course. After every quarter of studies, they have an integrated sprint weeks where they're going to liaise and work on real-time projects and case studies as part of the course within the fees. So they're not going anywhere outside to find internships. And now when you help your students and educate them ki, what all opportunities they will have with Gizma. You all are on Instagram. Go on the Gizma Instagram page. It is one of the most active pages that we have. We put everything over there with all our industry links, industry tie-ups. We've got all companies from Alstom to Tesla to SAP to Deloitte coming on campus and doing these sprint weeks, because ultimately anyone going to Germany wants to find a job. Look at SRH alumni network. Look at Gizma network. Look at LinkedIn alumni. Okay, that's one of the most differentiating factor. Even in terms of, though we are a new university, not as old as SRH, look at our accreditations. We're state accredited, recognized by the state of Brandenburg. That's the reason our students directly go to the BFS. They don't have an embassy interview. Our scholarships are in place, accreditations are in place. We have campuses in one of, Berlin obviously is the capital city. We have a campus there. The other campus is in Potsdam, which is the Silicon Valley of Germany. So, all these USPs, all this information has to be shared with your students, and then you have to tell, the student should have so much confidence that अगर मुझे फॉर एग्जाम्पल सृष्टि मैम ने बताया हाँ गिज्मा ही जाना है आपको, yes, that has to be your choice. If Ridesh sir is saying no, Gizma you close down on Gizma for data science, yeah, your students should be so, I mean, they should have that trust factor within you itself, that whatever you say, they're going to choose that, irrespective of whatever information they're going to come to you with. You've got to just break down the entire information that they have into bite-sized pieces and help them understand. You want to do data science, AI, digital business. Gizma has done these projects in the past years. These are the companies who have come on campus and done sprint weeks. You've got a very good career progression with these companies ultimately. Might as well consider this course. And you pick any university outside of Gizma. Okay, I'm giving you all this challenge. Kedar, Radesh, I've interacted with these with y'all in the office.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
you come and tell me, you pick any university and tell me ki this university has better career prospects, has sprint weeks integrated into the course, has these companies coming, then I can actually, try and see what other USPs I can give you. But there is no university in Germany under the GUS umbrella at the moment with integrated sprint weeks with their courses. And also, there is no university which is offering career
Double
placement
decker.
in the first 6 months. Okay. So find those universities, tell me, because if you have a student who's going to Germany, he's obviously tried to manage funds to, build all that corpus to go and study in Germany, because it's one of the most reasonable economical option. B, he wants to settle abroad. Okay, so he is a student who is not only going there for, getting a degree so that I have it on my CV and I'll get a good marriage prospect in the future because I have an international degree. No, set of German interested students is very different. Their whole point is that they want to settle abroad. Okay. And when you talk about these career service assistants, sprint weeks, workshops, placements integrated into the course, that's where they're going to be convinced to choose Gizma over any other university. Obviously, we don't have a very huge portfolio like SRH. Okay. We've got a limited portfolio of programs. Fine. If you have someone for biotech, if you have someone for mechatronics, go ahead and give other options. But when you have anybody for business and IT, Gizma should definitely be in their shortlist, in the top 3 itself.
Well, can you give some details about campus size?
Sorry?
Can you just share some detail about campus size of GISMA?
The campus size of Gizma.
Yeah, or
Our
well,
Potsdam is, if you look at our Potsdam campus, it is shared between UE and Gizma, all right? But you've got everything over there. We are not a campus spread across acres like Queen's University in London, or we don't have an acres and acres of campus, lush green gardens and huge cafeterias. But we are an average size institute, all right, like a Symbiosis in Pune, if you know what the size is. And so that's the institute. We share the campus with UE, and we've got everything under that one roof. And Berlin obviously is a standalone building, but again, because it's IT and business, and we quite really don't need all those labs and big structured buildings for mechanical. Obviously, we don't have that infrastructure, but yeah, decent sized campuses, very good reviews of Gizma. I haven't till date had any negative review about from someone who's gone to Gizma. Okay.
Ma'am,
You can look at pictures online also. We have
hello.
them on our website. Yes. Who is
Ma'am, can you please provide us like a student review or video that had provided by you, the students, like if
everything?
possible?
Akib, everything is on the Insta page.
Okay.
We've got all our alumni testimonials, videos, students, our alumni, our ex-students, everybody is there. Just take a look at the page once before you start counseling your students.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Any other questions, team? So, Madhav sir, I think that
Any
just
more questions?
brings
Yes,
us to
ma'am.
the
Any more
end of this
questions? Please
session.
unmute yourself and ask. Yeah.
Well, if you still have any questions, you can put them on the EEC WhatsApp group. All right. You can, or just pick up the phone and give me a call, chit chat with me. You have any cases stuck, you want to try and convert any student, you need my help, my intervention for those cases, just call me. Happy to help. And as promised, I'm here to assist you, but you've got to also give me a promising number for Jan. So good luck. And you have all the data now. You've got your pricing in place, the new pricing for Jan. We've got the scholarships in place. If there's anything you need additional support and help with, feel free to reach out to me. So good luck, everyone, and thank you so much for this session.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, just one query I had. If a student fails an exam at JISMA, what is the policy for that student?
They have a
I mean,
retest. We give you a retest at a 20 euro additional fee for password test.
okay. No, that is for the password test, right?
If they fail
Once
Gizma,
they
then
reach the
they start with
campus.
foundation. Acha, udhar ka. Udhar agar hai, then they'll have a retest
Huh.
again. So there's an assessment and a reassessment week. Assessment is the usual exam time. Reassessment is for any subjects that they have not cleared. They've got a reattempt. So they get one
Okay,
more
and
chance to clear that.
and what happens if they fail that also?
If they fail that, then they get an F grade in that particular module.
Okay.
So when they get the
And
final,
are there any charges? And are there any charges for retake of the test?
there are no charges in reassessment. No.
There are no charges because earlier students used to say that there were charges because of which there were reviews between the students about it.
No, there are no charges for our retakes. No. So the assessment and reassessment is integrated into the program.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. So
Thank you, ma'am.
good day, everyone. Bye-bye. See ya.
Okay, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you so
Bye.
much, ma'am.